Okay. So first of all, you may not realize this, but recruiters have to spend a lot of money to use the Recruiter Lite platform. This is a technology that's built into LinkedIn that gives them the ability to post jobs, to do searches for candidates. And so when you invest that much in a technology, you're going to use it. So when you see a job posted on LinkedIn, you know those recruiters are looking at those jobs. And I'll tell you, if you can be, studies show, one of the first 25 people to apply to a LinkedIn job, those go directly to them. Now, once they start getting hundreds of applicants, they don't get every single one. They have to physically go into LinkedIn and look at the applicants. But those first applicants that they get are considered the hot applicants because they've really jumped on the train here to get their information in. They must be really eager. And so finding job opportunities, finding companies and setting job alerts for them on LinkedIn is such a great way for you to get sort of the first crack at a job and being able to apply versus on something really big like Glassdoor or Indeed, where you're just one of thousands and it's highly unlikely you'll get a call. If you can use LinkedIn correctly, there's a better chance.